whole Philippines. Isang papanawad naman dyan. Papanawad! Maraming salamat mga Pilipino!
Okay, congratulations, CJ. You can see everybody loves you and they also love Mr. Nawat. I'm sure gusto yung marinig ng ilang salita from him, no? Kung ba Filipinos?
Ay, mabuhay! Nice to meet you all today. You got the golden cow! Finally, you got all the Islam beauty pageant winner! Congratulations for you! And I'm waiting for back-to-back race! The Golden Crown DJ Opiesa! Thank you so much!
Okay, don't you know? Oh, and now we're going to hear from Arnold.
Good afternoon to everyone. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta niyo rito. Thank you so much for all your support sa ALB Pageant Circle. We got 5 rounds and the last one is Miss Grand International from CJ Opiesa. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in a while.
Okay, iikot na yung parade. Ikot kayo. Okay.
Ikot ang lahat. Promise, ikot? Yes! Okay. Sige, I think they want to do the introduction. We'll now do the... I am Christina Julia Enrico Piazza from the Philippines. Your Miss Grand International!
CJ.
Kaya, maraming salamat po sa pag-stay and pagsama po sa amin. Alam ko, maulan. Ang pagkapanalo ko pong ito ay para sa inyo lahat, para sa bansa. Sana po pagpatuloy na supportan niyo po ako hanggang sa dulo, hanggang sa end ng aking reign. And after that, guys, we will be having our new candidate for the Philippines. For the coronation night that's gonna be on July 16 sa MOA Arena po. Sana makapunta rin kayo and supportahan sila lahat. But then again, also support the candidates from all around the world. Miss Grand International is the one and only!
Okay. Last daw.
Teka lang po, ayusin lang.
Sakit na eh.
Pababa po lang tayo. Okay. Backward po, backward, camera na.